for Barbie, like dresses, accessories, and yeah. And I was waiting for it for so long. It came today. So, me and my Barbies are so excited. So let's get opening. So yeah. Oh, I'm so excited. Reopen this. Oh, I can see shoes and everything. Ooh. That's so cute. Ooh, I can see the dresses already. There's like 2 parts united. Here's the first package. There's so many things inside. Let's just open it up. Oh my god. There's a hair! There's a tiara, it's so cute. Okay, you can like it. Okay, we got this necklace, that's so cute. We got this handbag. Oh, we got a rubber band. You can make pigtails out of it, you know. Glasses, yay! This is a bracelet. We got shoes. We got this bottle. We got a piece of cake. We got more hairbands. It's getting better and better. Got a teapot. And another earring. This is kind of heavy. I don't know what they made of. I got like this thing for the Barbies, like, you know, the keeping on top thing. I don't know what it's called. This is all so cute. Okay, we got this shoes, so pretty. We got this handbag. It's in yellow. It's all detailed so nicely. Look at them, they're so detailed. These look like real glasses. These shoes are really real. So cute. We got more. We get, ooh, another pair of shoes. And we got comb, fork, we get more bracelets. This bracelet, this one. We got a perfume bottle. There's actually, we got this teacup, another shoe. Oh, there's so many. We got hangers. Let's keep the hanger. We got another teacup. We got, I think it's another perfume bottle. A mirror. Ooh. A knife. Oh, another shoe. Another piece of cake. Another shoe. We got this type of glass. Oh, they're all so cute. Okay. We got necklace, another hair tie. So we got another brush. What is it? I think it's a clip. Got another mirror. Get 2 plates and one more of this thing over here. You got, I don't know what is this. What is this, guys? Comment down below. Oh yeah, you can comment down below. That's okay. I don't know, guys, what scissors. And we got more of these hangers. And we got another pair of those and shoes. And we got the hot chicken around. It's so cute. Even the details at the back. Is everything here? Yeah. Oh, this comes. Look at this earring. Not earring. It's a necklace. It's so pretty. Oh, we got another here. That's it for the first bag. Now we got the second bag full of clothing. Oh, there's another bag. It's all so nice. We get more than 10 dresses or something. This is so cute. Oh, cute. Do we get more than like 5 dresses or something? 10 dresses? No, we get like 10 dresses. Okay, let's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They only gave 9, but that's okay. Okay, we got this heart dress. It's so we got this heart-shaped dress, and at the bottom it's like the ski, like that mountain type thing. This is the first dress. We can put it in the hanger. There. Hanger. 1. We got the second one. It's so green, and it's green. And we got the same mountainy things. And this is cute. Yeah, it's actually cute. You can hang it. Okay. Next we got this heart one. It's like the same thing, but it's in blue. Cute. My favorite is this one. It's so cute. Look at the thing at the back. I don't know why in each and every dress this one is bigger. Yeah. But in each every dress there's like this mountain type. Okay, there we go. We got this hard one. I like this hard one too. It's so cute. Yeah, look at the pink and gray. And they're so cute. The arm thing. So we forgot to put the hanger. And then next we have this one. It's so polka dotty, and yeah, it's actually nice with the arm things, and it's so nice with the different color polka dots. I think I already did it. And then we got this one. I like this one as well. It's got apple all over it and stars, and yeah, it's so cute. We got this leopard one. Oh, and it's like detailed at the bottom. Can you see that, guys? So cute. In the back. Looks so cute. Okay, next we have the same one in blue. We actually have 2 like that. Look at that. Actually cute. Those are all the dresses, and the accessories, they look so cute. Yeah. They actually match, like, look at them. They can like go with like this thing, and they can go with this PR or this one. their hair. They can put their ponytails. Oh no, I dropped the one. That's okay. We can take it later. We got these two pairs. I don't know what this one is. Where this one is. We got this necklace, these two bracelets, and this bracelet. So yeah, got all the accessories. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, these are all the accessories and dresses I got. Don't forget to check out the first part of Elsa's birthday party and the Barbies. Next week I'm gonna be doing a video and the Barbies are gonna be having a makeover. And yeah, and they're gonna wear all these dresses, accessories, and get ready for Elsa's birthday party. And hope you enjoyed this video. And please like and subscribe